Hi everyone! Today we are here with another pen tablet review. A kind company called Veikk sent me their product that is called Studio VK1200 Pen Display. Here we are unboxing this product. They even include a cute bag for the pen tablet, so we can carry the tablet around. Now let us unpack this package. Here is what's inside. As you can see, the product's packaging is very presentable on the inside and out. This package includes a palm protection gloves, so that we can prevent our oily hands from touching the tablet, to keep it clean of course. And if we did touch it and it leaves an annoying handprint on the tablet screen, no worries because they gave us a small cleaning handkerchief to clean the tablet screen. Next part is the pen tablet itself, but we'll check that out later. First, let's see what else is inside. Here we have two pens with pen pockets for each pen. Then we have HDMI cable and another USB cable, then a USB-C to USB-C cable. This package also includes a nib remover, 20 extra pen nibs. Here we have a Veikk card that contains their email address, social medias, and especially the driver downloads. Here is the quick start guide that contains everything you need to know. Here is the pen holder with 8 extra pen nibs. We can store 8 pen nibs inside this pen holder. Here I am showing you how to assemble it and how it holds the pencil. Cool, right? Lastly, I am unboxing the pen tablet itself. Look at that, it's so smooth and shiny. It even has a customizable 3 buttons on top and another 3 buttons on the bottom, which means it has 6 customizable buttons in total. Really cool. Ignore the horrible camera angle. It will get better in the end. Here is my experience with Veikk's pen tablet. It is so good and easy to use, very affordable and beginner-friendly. Link of the product is in the description below. Feel free to check it out. Enjoy the rest of the speed drawing, haha. Finish the rest of the drawing off camera because doing this camera angle while drawing is hard. Here is the finished product. Look at that. My gosh, that's so cool. This is probably one of the best pen tablet I got to review. Huge thank you to Veikk Pen Tablet Company for helping me make this video possible. Thank you for watching.